Today, the odds from the Hacked app and other two betting apps is what I'm going to give you. And these odds, they are solid and sure 2 odds, 5 odds, 10 odds, and a combined 100 plus odds plus free multi-correct scores and half-time, full-time correct scores that you can try your luck on. So if you see this video, make sure you try your luck on these odds and know how these odds are going to bless us for today. And if you have not joined the Telegram group or the Telegram channel, make sure you join by checking through the video description. The first link, tap on the first link and land at Telegram, then you join the group so that anytime I drop free odds and also free correct scores there, you'll be the first person to get it. And also, if you are a first time watching content from this channel, make sure you do subscribe to this channel and turn on notification so that anytime I drop new video concerning giving out odds, you are going to get it. Like this video, so do not forget to share the video with your friends so as to benefit from this video. Now let's go into the breakdown and the analysis from the Hacked app and also the other betting app that you can try your luck on, plus the free multi-correct scores and the halftime, full-time predictions. Now let's get started. So the Hacked app is giving us just 4 teams, which is 2 solid and sure odds that you can try your luck on. So the first on the list is Arsenal Everton, and this one they tipped Arsenal straight in but 2 up. Juventus Venezia, Juventus straight in but 2 up. Hervin and PSV, PSV straight in but 2 up. Feyenoord and Heracles, Feyenoord straight in but 2 up for the 2 odds from the Hacked app. And also when you go to the other app, which is giving us sure 2 odds, they tipped Rayo Vallecano and Real Madrid over 1.5 goals in the full match. Feyenoord and Heracles, the same Feyenoord from the Hacked app here too, they are tipping Feyenoord straight in but 2 up. And also they tipped Juventus and Venezia, Juventus straight win from the other app, and you can see Juventus and Feyenoord are also predictions from the Hacked app. So these odds two are giving us 2 solid odds that you can try. And also when you go to the other app, they are predicting Arsenal Everton straight win by 2 up for Arsenal. Liverpool Fulham straight win by 2 up for Liverpool. Salzburg and Klagenfurt over 2.5 goals in the full match. So this one, for safer side, you can go for over 1.5 goals in the full match. Nottingham Forest and Aston Villa over 1.5 goals in the full match. Juventus and Venezia, here too they are predicting Juventus straight win but 2 up. Feyenoord Heracles, Feyenoord straight win but 2 up. Winterthur and Luzern, this is at the Switzerland League, and they tipped over 2.5 goals in the full match. For safer side, you can make it over 1.5 goals in the full match. And these 7 matches are also the predictions from the other apps. And also when you go to the last app, they tipped Juventus Venezia straight win by 2 up for Juventus. Udinese Napoli over 1.5 goals. Arsenal Everton, Arsenal straight win by 2 up. Mönchengladbach and Holstein Kiel over 2.5 goals in the full match. This one is NBA, Utah and Phoenix straight win. This is the NBA prediction, okay. And also Salzburg and Klagenfurt, they tipped over 1.5 goals for Salzburg. That is Salzburg to score 2+ goals, okay, in the match. They also tipped Liverpool and Fulham straight win by 2 up for Liverpool. Risenberg and Konyaspor, double chance for Risenberg. Okay. That is one more draw for the Risenspor. Okay, so these are the predictions from these apps. Okay, so you can as well try and combine all these odds and also know how these odds are going to bless us for today. You can pick your sure 2 odds from it, 5 odds and also 10 odds, as well as getting a whooping 100 odds from these selections. Okay, and also you can see on the screen the multi-correct scores from the Hacked app. Okay, so this Hacked app, before you be able to get access to the multi-correct scores or their correct scores or even their halftime, full-time predictions, unless you patch it. Okay, so I've patched this app and their predictions from the multi-correct score is what you see on the screen. There are a lot, so you can pick your selections from it. Okay, but if you want to go by the correct scores, go for the multi-correct scores, and remember, stick for the singles before you combine. And also you can see their halftime, full-time predictions in their app. Okay, so their halftime, full-time prediction is also what you see on the screen. Okay, so you can pick your selections from these predictions, and also let's see how these odds bless us for today. And the booking code for my selection can be seen at the video description, or better in the comment section. I've pinned it. You can just copy the booking code and also go and also stake it on your favorite app. This is from Sporty. Okay, as if you see this video to be interesting, make sure you do subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I post new video concerning giving out odds, you are going to get it. And most importantly, make sure you like this video so that the algorithm will push this video to help your friends to also get this, also as to try their luck on this odds. And as a disclaimer, I disclaim that this is not a financial advice, but I'm going to show you how I make money through staking. So therefore, I am not responsible for any profit or loss through this video. Do your own research before you invest, and invest in what you can afford to lose. And remember, this video is for educational purpose as well. Here's the Talk Tech, and we shall meet again in the next video. Greetings once again.